Discrimination against the LGBTQ plus community continues to be one of the most pressing social issues today. Despite growing awareness and acceptance, many LGBTQ plus individuals still experience bullying, rejection, and unfair treatment from society. Some are judged because of who they love, while others are denied opportunities because of their identity. This kind of discrimination violates the basic human right to equality and freedom. Everyone deserves to live in a world where they can express themselves without fear shame. The main reason discrimination continues is ignorance and lack of education. Many people hold outdated beliefs that being LGBTQ plus is wrong or unnatural. These false ideas cause others to treat LGBTQ plus individuals unfairly, leading to emotional pain and social exclusion. In schools and workplaces, they may face bullying or isolation, which often leads to anxiety, depression, or loss of self-confidence. To stop this, we need to promote awareness, inclusion, and respect. Education helps people understand that gender and love come in many forms and none of them are wrong. When we learn to accept differences, we build a kinder and more peaceful society. Discrimination against the LGBTQ plus community must end. Equality should never depend on gender, identity, or who a person loves. Acceptance starts with understanding, compassion, and respect. When we treat everyone with fairness and empathy, we create a world where love has no boundaries and everyone can live freely and proudly.